This project is DTMF based irrigation water pump control. Here Arduino connection sir, Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply 16x2 LCD. DTMF module MT8870 connected to Arduino digital pins. Here AC pump controlled by relay which is connected to Arduino digital pin. Now power on this. Mobile phone should connect it to DTMF module through audio cable. Here we can control load in two ways. In the first way, we have to do call to connected mobile and press respective buttons. We have to accept the call and open the keyboard here and press the 1 for pump on. We can see here. Press 2 for pump off. Disconnect the call. In second way, we have to install the DTMF app, which is shown in above icon. We have to open the app. In the app, we have to press the buttons. 1 for pump on, 2 for pump off. Here few mobiles not supporting to DTMF, but most of the mobiles supporting to DTMF. While connecting DTMF cable, make sure that it should be very tight.